Hi everyone, so very quick video because I have to go soon. So I'm obviously filming, and if I'm filming, you know I'm going to a museum, art gallery exhibition today. And yes, today I'll actually be going to the V&A to go to the Friday late called oh my god, what is it? It's around their food exhibition anyway that's going on right now. Food a bigger plate. I probably said that wrong. I always do. I should know the names before I film, but it's like every single time I film I feel like I'm always in a time rush. I'm like looking at the clock right now just to check that I'm not gonna go over time. Ooh, lighting's weird. So yeah, that's why I'm very quickly filming a video right now before I go. So quick outfit. This outfit I'm going with, cute little top with lace on, and this William Morris inspired I don't know what you call it, leggings, because they are leggings, they're not actually proper trousers, they're very stretchy. Thought I'll wear these because obviously the V&A has a collection of William Morris items, and these are like my favorite trousers. Makes me feel like very chic or something. Yeah, I think that's one way to describe it. It's like I'm ready for the museum, this outfit. It's like more freeing. I was gonna wear a skirt, but then I was like, it might be annoying walking around the museum and the whole day at work wearing like, yeah, a tight fitting skirt. So yeah, decided not to go with that. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, so excited. My room's a mess as well. So yeah guys, I will see you guys this evening and I'll bring you guys along with me. On the train I searched up the Friday late tonight in V&A, so it's actually called Food for Thought, you know, because the exhibition's about food and, you know, play on word kind of thing. I don't know what I'm trying to explain, but yeah, that's kind of the Friday late theme for V&A today. So there's obviously going to be performances, dances, contemporary dances, workshops, talks and other activities going on tonight. So that's usually what happens at a Friday late. I haven't actually told you guys where I work, so I have my badge on me down here with my ugly face in it. But yeah, I am working at Spotify for this summer as a developer intern on the web stack. The view is just so pretty. I'm just like, I don't want to film my face because the view is much more pretty than me. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along.
but it's kind of like the same thing like when you like any other kind of making milk, but we just do a lazy version where we get like a jar of 100% like smooth.
Trans people, particularly trans people that are in public.
Post the wrong kit. It's never a waste if you grow. You're still going to come back fresher than ever. This is for all you future girl bosses out there who just want to get that bread. 1. The daily hustle. You've got to work on your dreams every day. The magic is in the method. Quitting is not an option, and neither is coffee. 2. Self-care is everything. Invest in your life. Call out your cutout. People don't empower you. Don't be afraid to say no. Only a nourished soul has emotional space to kick off. And 3. Remember, it's never too late to get that bread. You can make mistakes, take some wrong turn, post the wrong kit. It's never a waste if you grow. You're still going to come back fresher than ever.
To us doesn't see or recognize the scars that are reflected in the way we even say hello. Or sometimes in just a simple question like, how are you?
So yeah, outfit change, completely different time of the day, because actually today's the next day. It's Saturday afternoon right now and it's boiling hot. It's like 32 degrees. Ugh. And yes, obviously yesterday night I just came home, was completely knackered because of all the walking I did, and obviously I got up at 7 a.m. for work, so I thought I might as well film it the next day when I can actually collect all my thoughts together and actually have the energy. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So yesterday night was obviously the Friday late at the V&A, food for thought. That was actually a really good late that I've been to, like one that I've actually got time to like go around and see the different little pop-ups going on rather than go to the, let's say, like main exhibition. So the little booklet that I got for the night was like this, Friday late. I think this was the picture that they used for the kind of online, the advertising, the campaign part of it. Little map of the night, and yeah, just the events and yeah, different things going on throughout the night. So yeah, there was quite a few things going on. It was like great, the weather as well. The exhibition itself, I didn't actually get a booklet. I forgot, V&A doesn't give you like a little, I don't think so anyway, maybe one or two might have given me a booklet, but yeah, didn't get a booklet, got this instead. I found this just lying on a seat and was like, okay, let's just get this as a souvenir to, yeah, hang up on my wall or something. It's actually pretty cute. It kind of gave you a little summary on the back of the sponsor. I think this was like right at the front, a little description here on what the exhibition is about overall and the sponsor itself. Overall, the exhibition and the video clips that I showed you guys, it was a really good exhibition, I thought. If you actually took your time to go around, look at the items and interact with the different displays, there was a lot to see and do. It's really delved in deep, talking about the food industry in the past and how it's now progressed in the future, and how we are introducing new ways, from taking on kind of past ways that we've sustainably farmed in the past to then kind of bring it into the future, but still mass produce, I guess, kind of food in a sustainable way. I think I've said sustainable so many times, but yeah, sustainability was the obviously main factor of it all, and trying to figure out how we can still produce food that are still delicious but help the environment and obviously the people themselves, fair wages and stuff like that. So yeah, it was really great. And then kind of just talking about the rest of the night, because I've just talked about the exhibition, which was £5 a ticket, like I said, which was great. Actually, there was also this. So in the interactive part of kind of the last part of the exhibition, where you actually got to pick a food combination at the food lab. It was just a really tiny piece, like I showed you guys in the video. I picked vegan, wild and delicious, and 117 people chose the same thing. It was nice. It was a cracker with some wild spread and pop heritage, which was crisp, Essex barley and Somerset spelt. Overall, it was like a delicious little thing. If it was like big snack, I would have like a savoury kind of dish. If that all those flavours combined would be great. But for the rest of the night, I also went to the Home a Queer Cooking series, which just looked at obviously the LGBT community talking about themselves whilst making some of their favourite dish. Obviously the one that I walked into at the time that was being displayed was a guy who couldn't cook and make baked beans on toast. Obviously that was just to, I don't know, in a friendly way, just to explain and talk about themselves through a casual kind of way, because food is how people connect. I think that was the main thing to take away from it. Also, I went to two things. I went to the Let's Not Get This Bread, which was just a video that used some how do you describe it? I'm like, well, mind blanks right now because it's so hot. But I'll read here: animation and sound design. That's what I wanted to say, to express kind of views that wasn't just targeted to women, but I guess it was just trying to tell people it's like inspiration kind of quotes, and telling yourself to love yourself and to strive and work hard. So that was great. And also I watched the video, what is it called? I want to get the name right, so I'm looking for it. The Palestine Heirloom Seed Library and Seed Share. So this was just, yeah, I got this. So this was the little postcard that I got that I really loved. There was like a set of different postcards. I picked this one talking about his free time spent collecting and cataloguing seeds of different varieties. So I'm just reading on about his notes. A meticulous storage technique makes his collection a national treasure created and conserved by a child of immigrants who have contributed immensely to Britain, and his historic stories should not be left untold. It was just a very sweet story about just bringing the community together through seeds, and talking obviously all about immigrants, minorities who have just come together to form a community around planting food, seeds and stuff. So that was also great. Yeah, the whole night in general, all the different talks I went to, yeah, an LGBT AIM one on positivity, and another one on immigrants. They were all kind of stuff that I really enjoy going to, talks like that I can somewhat relate to. And yeah, so yeah, this was a great exhibition, overall great night. Thanks for watching, guys. write a comment down below what you like to see, what you recommend, what you thought, like this video so I know you like this type of content. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.